You found the answer? Tell me.
Okay. The answer is C.
I don't think so. Always follow the rules. Follow the rules. We test you for verb. Find the subject, find the object. It, subject, and then verb, and then object. It, what does it refer to? So you must go to read. The invention of integrated circuit or microchip radically altered semiconductor industry. Some history argue it. So the invention did what to the industry by enabling it to take advantage. Transformed. Trans is to change form something. So this invention it changed the form industry, makes it more better, enabling advantage, mass production. So that's why. So letter D is correct. Right?
Right.
Good job.
Not A and not D. So
Let's follow the rules. This is verb and the subject and object. I said here when information flow is, so we have when. To read before. Individuals tend to be more decisive if information flow between regions is intensified, whereas they make choices more slowly when. So they make choices more slowly when what? When the information flow is reduced. Imagine. So it's letter A. Use the techniques as I told you, whereas contrast. Imagine more decisive with intensified, more slowly when it's reduced. So opposite. If you said information flow is evaluated, we are talking about evaluation of information, but here no information about assessing or evaluating. If you said more information is acquired, we are not talking about acquiring information or understanding. So about reduced. That's why. Try again. Follow the same one. Now, what is your answer?
the answer is B. No, no, no.
It's letter D. Why letter D? All the text we're talking about conclusion. فstudy study concluded. So the beginning about what? Conclusion. And how this research arrived at that conclusion. Imagine, look, Hannon and the colleagues found that. How they arrived at the conclusion, the experimental group's discussion was more. If you said letter B, it means we are arguing, but we don't argue. We don't discuss that. Researchers were surprised by the results. What is the information about surprising? And not all the text about surprising. So it's letter D. Let's try again. To remember this question.
Okay, can I see the all the choices?
Yeah, let's read first. Here text 1 and 2. Let me make it smaller.
Yes, it's better. Okay, the answer is A.
Letter A is correct. The style was unique, distinguished, distinctive, powerful, and readable and advanced. Correct. It's brilliant.
The answer is C.
The letter C, brilliant. That is fantastic. Let's go.
Okay, the answer is B.
Letter B, I don't think so. Remember, letter B says circumstances that promoted. Is all the text about that? No, we need the only underline. But remember, don't read the underline only because it's only the clause, but you can read from the beginning to help you. Is the underline talk about the circumstances, the condition that promoted that developed the research, or
No.
the effects of a process? That's why he said so. Cause and effect. Cause and effect. Catch it? So stick it to water molecules. Cause what happened? All of that. So we have so delay is the best answer. That's all, my friend. Catch it?
Yes.
Now little jump.
Hmm.
You know?
The answer is C.
Letter C8 is correct. That's wonderful.
Okay. Yes, the answer is C. No, no, not C. Uh, B.
Why not remember something? Here, adjective. What does it describe? Describe noun or pronoun. Now, cuttlefish appear to be what? So we need some sort of describe subject because this is linked verb. Remember, linked verb as verb to be. Appear to be what? At exercising control. We have explanation after calling, as you know in writing, to tell you what was it. So this explanation says cuttlefish was equal, imaginative, manageable, or competent. A study conducted by behavioral ecologists, these demonstrated restraint by delaying gratification, waiting for a favorite treat instead of instantly devouring. So that means it's competent. Imagine, competent here means capable to do something. Feel that? So waiting for a favorite treat instead of eating a meal that was already available to them. Imagine. So cuttlefish demonstrates ability to exercise restraint. So we mentioned that it's letter D. Of course, we're not talking about she's confusing, but how? She is capable to do something. Imaginative, of course, wrong. And manageable, we're not talking about we can manage it. Feel that? Remember, manageable means capable of being controlled, but we are not talking about that we can control it. Remember, capable of being controlled, not capable to control. So be careful. So letter D is explained. So follow the way of the structures to help you. Now, try. No.
No, the answer is A.
And it's correct. The line, yes. Let's see why. He said here, his style underwent an abrupt transformation. So after explain what is a transformation, turning away already means transformation. And explain the style. So it's literally, of course, correct.
Okay, so answer is D.
The why not to be letter A? Read, underlined only. It implies that Israel treasures a particular characteristic of his personality. Yes or no? Can be that.
Yes,
So it can be that.
yes, can be that.
Let's look here. Of his personality, when that characteristic should usually be considered as flaw. Did he make that he said this characteristic is flaw? Is a trap.
No,
So it does not. Imagine it.
yes.
But that means it is not. So A is wrong. Again, it suggests that if not for a certain aspect of his character, Israel may not have been easily thwarted. What means thwarted? Disappointed. Being stopped. His ambition? Yes, he has not stopped his ambition. Look, who, however means opposite to the previous. So the previous man here, he didn't give him his right. However, he was search obliged to look round for other means of livelihood. So letter B is correct. He never stopped. He is not disappointed. Well, I'm not talking here about the enormous amount of labor in those texts. We didn't mention that explain why Israel is able to undertake courageous acts. Does not tell us why. So letter B, correct. To rise next.
The answer is A.
And the letter A, it's a good job. Remember something. He said here to describe an approach. Approach means the way it is used. What is the way? To address the used. To address it means that to solve this problem. That's correct. Let's follow the same way. Adjective, describe noun or pronoun. You must define the noun. Believes that these formations, he said these formation of what? Must go back. So stars form. So we're talking about stars formation. These formations need not remain. Believes these formations need not remain completely what? And then explanation. So your answer in the following clause. In the following clause, are we explaining that this formation is repeatable? Here, or he said she uses simulation data and sophisticated 3D printers to produce interactive models of this stellar. That means we cannot touch it. So we cannot find these stars or touch it. That just means we're not talking about repeat. If it's something repeated, we did it before. Can you imagine? So A is wrong.
Yes.
Explicable means explainable. Explanation, explain, explicable. As you know, just able to explain. Yeah, but she said here she used simulation data. Simulation data to explain something. That means something was not understandable in the past. Something not understandable, so we need to understand it. So B is wrong. I'm not talking about regrets, of course, how formation and regret. But intangible means cannot be touched. Because we cannot touch the stars. That's why we use simulation of computers and sophisticated 3D printers, for example. So letter D, correct. That's why, my friend. Let's jump. Try.